Okay, so we're looking at the case when you're a provider. We finished the owner. So the same, if you're a provider, first launch on the app, you'll be able to get the onboarding screen, and then I'll register. So I'll do a provider like so that we can go through the provider use case. Test provider T at this postable.com. Joshua A to Ash. Most of the things are really the same, but it's just that the provider has a few other more parts that come in probably. So yeah, that's a provider. Hopefully that email is not taken. I have a feeling it's taken. Okay, it's not. Okay, so let me verify it from this postable. Just 1 second. Provider T. Okay. Let me verify it. Okay, done. So I'll log in as provider T. That was provider T, small p. Okay, password was okay. Have some flu. So yeah, it's a new provider, so it's the wizard. My tagline: you can't continue to the next step before you fill up all the information. I'm clicking next, but yeah, so my bio, and then the date of birth, that will be 1905, and then I'll put in my image. The provider, this dog, little dog. Profile photo updated successfully, and then I can continue. So on to the let's say I live in Beverly Center, California. That's the address. Move on. Then I can type my phone number. I'll just copy this around. So 46672. Select, copy, paste. Social security number 2224433. Hopefully it's the right one. Phone names, Kent. Phone number, mail address, email at email.com. Yeah, so please provide a valid contact. So that's probably because I have a wrong contact. Yeah, so just wanted to show that to you. Yeah, that should go. And then exactly what I was telling you, Kate. So you just need to type in your phone, and then we shall be adding the plus for you. You don't need to worry about it. So yeah. So the step 4 is for services. A provider should be able to add their service. So yeah, I'll add working. Good at working. Yeah, I'll select a rate per hour, and then 200. So yeah, okay, 200. Okay, so you get that little notification to tell you how much you're earning, and then yeah, services was added successfully. You can close that, and then the service there. I can add a second one. You can say grooming. I groom Okay, per hour. That's let me say 250. So your net pay will be 212, and then you can add service added successfully, and then grooming is added. Yeah, next your preferences. You just check, that will be saved. Your history, you have like 2 and 5, and that's checked, and yeah, everything should be there as added right from the start. Yeah, so just to show you that all the information is being saved perfectly fine, no bugs, no information was not saved, I can't edit. You can edit overnight, you can edit, it was updated successfully, you edited it overnight. So yeah, at least we shall test this and then see. So initiate background check. You add a card, Josh and J 4242424242, expiry month, so definitely that should give us an error, invalid expiry month. So yeah, all errors are being captured. So the card is added, it's the first card and it's primary, and then I can pay. Can initiate background check. So let's wait for that. Background check initiated successfully, done. This is the dashboard of the provider. So literally they have everything. Availability, I've worked on availability, I've finished it. Payments, see the payment I just made is here, $25. Background check, that's the card. Wednesday 3, like everything should be perfect. I already went through this with the pet owner. This is the profile, so maybe what I will go through will be the side for the provider, payments, bank accounts, they're all there, services, they're there, preferences, they're there, background check, it's pending. Remember, we've just initiated it, that's why it's pending, and the button is disabled. Profile, you can still access your profile. So really I think I've gone through everything. Cards, services, bank accounts. You have no bank account, but you can add. I don't know the routing numbers off of my head, but you should be able to add. Yeah, basically that's it. Like you can add cards, MJ 42 42 42 42 42 42 42 42 05 24. You can add your card. It's the second card, so it shouldn't be primary. You can make things not primary. Actually, if you can see, this card was used for payment, that's why you can't delete it. You see the delete button is not there because it was used to make a payment, to make this payment of $25. So you only be able to delete a card when it hasn't been used. So that's why I can delete this one, but this I can't because it was used. So I've taken in consideration most of the things that we discussed and most of the things that were never taken into consideration while designing the current app. I'm going to make another one where we'll go through availability and yeah. Okay.